Intermittent fasting health benefits. 1. Heart health. Intermittent fasting may improve various risk factors for heart disease, including cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and triglycerides. 2. Brain health. There is evidence to suggest that intermittent fasting may have neuroprotective effects and could potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. 3. Longevity. While more research is needed, some animal studies have shown that intermittent fasting may extend lifespan. It's not yet clear if the same effects occur in humans. 4. Weight loss and fat loss. I can help promote weight loss by restricting the eating window, leading to a reduction in overall calorie intake. Additionally, it may increase metabolic rate and promote fat oxidation. 5. Enhanced cellular repair processes. During fasting periods, cells initiate autophagy, a process where they remove dysfunctional components. This may help protect against various diseases and promote cellular health. 6. Improved insulin sensitivity. It may help improve insulin sensitivity, which can lower blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. 7. Increased energy levels. Despite initial concerns, many people report feeling more energized and alert during fasting periods. This may be due to metabolic adaptations and increased adrenaline production, which can enhance physical and mental performance.